Welcome back to our comedy show. I'm just kidding.
Things can go all right, but we get it done.
Do we need any like measuring things?
Today we're gonna make cardamom. Oh my God.
Cardamom. How did you say that word?
I know. We're gonna make cardamom summer. What is it? Cardamom summer baked pears with yogurt and crunchy granola.
Ooh.
The mango one. We're gonna put 2 fruits in it today.
Okay.
So yes.
I am not good at something that's too complicated. And when you sent me this recipe, I
Yes.
was like, I could make this and bring it to a friend's barbecue.
Yeah,
so
it's
I'm
simple.
confident-
Yes.
I'm confident if you feel the same way as me that we can do this. Interesting point real quick.
Yes.
So if you guys know, I do yoga and I study Ayurveda, and cardamom is actually used to calm the Pitta. And Pitta
Okay, I was
is
just
the
gonna ask.
season we're entering. It's a dosha.
Oh.
It can also be to describe our like bodies and systems,
Okay.
but also it's seasonal. So it's like think hot and fiery.
Yeah.
Yoga pears.
Yoga pears.
Yeah.
Ingredients wise, we're using, okay, I don't even know how to say it. We're gonna use the Anjou pears, but you can also use the Bosc pears, really any pears, but that's the one that they had at Trader Joe's. So we're gonna use this one. And then we're gonna have vanilla extract, maple syrup, and that's what we're going to spread onto the pears. And then we're gonna top it with yogurt, which we could mix some vanilla extract, or you could use ice cream if it's more of a dessert sort of thing. We're gonna drizzle it with honey and top it with the Mango Blend Granola.
Ooh.
Yeah.
That sounds yummy.
Yes. So
And where
it's
did you
gonna be
get this
delicious.
granola from?
You can get it from my website or at the coffee shops, either one in LA.
Girl. What pan is this? Like what size pan? What brand do you suggest?
I don't know what size it is.
Okay. This works for us.
Yeah, we don't know what size this is, but
I think it's about a foot. I'm just kidding.
okay, all I know is this is square.
I think it's like 9 by 9.
Yeah,
That
I was
looks
thinking.
like a good guess. It
Yeah,
looks even on each side.
yeah, I would say
But
9
it's
by 9
not
or
as
8.
long as a printer paper, which is 9 by 11.
Correct.
Right?
Correct. Yes.
But we're gonna say it's 9 by 9.
9 by
it's
9.
Square.
Yes, and it's square and it is Caraway. Oh, and of course, we're not forgetting it this time. Parchment paper.
We know that didn't turn out.
No,
Like,
no.
Everything gets stuck. So.
Yeah. So you will be cutting the pears in half.
Okay.
And then scooping out the seeds or the pit that's in the middle of them.
Okay. By cutting in half, we're going like this.
Yes,
correct?
the long
Okay.
way.
Long
Yeah.
way. Okay. Okay, so this is step 1.
Step 1.
Okay.
Perfect. Perfection. It's not going down the middle. Okay, let me try this way. Let's try that again, everyone.
Might just be a tougher pear.
There we go.
Tougher pear to crack.
Tougher pear to crack.
Oh yeah, these look gorgeous.
That was so uneven. Look how uneven this is. Now you're gonna take out the seeds.
Okay.
Just a little scoop.
This is the first time I've ever done this.
Oh, perfect. There's a first for everything. Oh, you picked the hard pear. You got my pear.
I see. She's a little less ripe than
Yes.
yours. Although, you know, my husband Wes, I know you know his name, but they might not.
In case.
He likes like less ripe fruit. I find it not.
Oh.
I like it ripe.
I would say the one for me would be like bananas, right? Unless you make it perfect. Perfect circle. Look at that.
Perfect.
On an unripe pear.
It's perfect.
For bananas, I would say the more ripe I don't normally love, but
Okay.
only to make banana bread.
Yeah.
Because then you don't, so I made this
That
banana
works
bread the
really
other
well.
day that didn't require any sweetener because the bananas were so ripe. So
Oh,
no
yeah.
added extra sugars except for the banana. Now you have your arm workout as
I
well
know.
with this.
I'm really seeing the crossover with cooking and exercise.
Make the mixture, whatever you want to call it, that's going to be on the pears, those beauties. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
And this you're gonna brush on it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So I have my handy dandy little brush right here.
Love it.
I know. I just bought this at Marshall's. It's the best. It's the best tool. I love it. Oh, where is the
Spoon?
cardamom?
Oh, we forgot to get it.
Oh my God.
We talked about it.
I was like, it's the number 1 thing in our, and we totally forgot.
She's in here. There she is.
There she is. Oh, look at that beauty. The featured product.
That we can now pronounce.
Yeah, that we can now say. I'm going to eyeball it
Ooh.
like we do best. It's supposed to be 2 teaspoons of cardamom. So let's eyeball it and see what happens.
Risk taker.
Risk taker. We're going all out here. I think that's 2 teaspoons.
Yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, that looks like it. Okay. And I'm just going to use this to give it a nice stir. Okay.
It smells good.
It does smell good. Wow. Okay.
It's like a good spice to use.
Yes. Oh, yeah.
Like a summer spice. So like it's not spicy.
Right.
Right? It's
Right.
not like hot spicy,
It's just
but
like
it has
nice and
flavor.
aromatic.
Yeah.
Okay. Perfect. So now we have the mixture that we're going to brush over the pears. So we're going to take back our caraway pan with the parchment paper. Do not forget the parchment paper. Oh, and I also just realized we should preheat the oven.
Oh, okay. What
Yes, 350. You're going to put your pears face up like so. And then you're going to get the mixture. And we're just going to brush it over the pears. Ooh, like this. So it'll be nice and soft when it comes out of the oven. And then when you can already, you can smell it already from here.
I know.
This is so good.
Aroma.
I'm excited. This is going to be delicious. To make sure it's like all covered. So I'm just, so I'm just emptying the where all the little seedlings were. And then moving it around in here. And then they're ready to go.
Okay.
It'll be 350 degrees in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, but we'll start checking at the 20-minute mark.
Okay.
And see how they look.
What should it look like when we know they're done?
It should be nice and brown. It'll be like caramelized.
Okay.
Yeah. So I think, and then we'll do the fork test. So we'll turn it around, we'll poke the fork and see if it goes through right away, like nicely, like you could just eat it out of there.
Okay.
Then that's when you know it's good to go. Okay. So 350 degrees. Whoops. Wow. It's all wiggly. See you later. So it ended up being 30 minutes instead. Ooh. Oh my God, that smells so good.
Wow, it smells good.
If you guys could be here just to smell it. Ooh. All right, so let's plate these. Hello. We can finally test taste. This is the best part.
This is the best part.
Ooh, look how.
Oh, they're pretty.
Wow. We have our 2 little pears here. And then we are going to scoop a dollop of, again, yogurt or ice cream, probably, if it's like a nice summer barbecue. We're going to put that in the middle of the 2.
Ooh.
And then we're going to use the Mango Blend
Ooh.
of granola. Actually, I'll use this
Wow, they
spoon that we
really
have.
smell great.
I know.
Yeah.
I think it was the cardamom.
Yeah.
I mean, this is
think it really
amazing.
worked. Oh, pretty.
Perfect, like this. Oh, that totally just went into one.
I feel like I could eat this for breakfast too.
Yeah.
Like just something different.
Yeah.
Not the ice cream part, but
Right.
with the yogurt. I
With
feel
the
like
yogurt,
this
you have
would
your
be fun.
protein, you have your carbs and healthy fats now. And then we're just gonna add a tiny bit of honey on top. And that's it.
That's really good.
I love it.
Me too. Oh, that works really well with your granola.
Yes.
I think the spices are complementary.
Yeah, definitely, because I have cinnamon in my granola. So
That
the
works well
cardamom.
together. This is great.
And then even with the yogurt, so the yogurt that we use for this is a plain yogurt, but because of the maple syrup
Actually,
and everything.
it really tastes good with the plain yogurt.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure if it was gonna taste too tart, but it actually works.
Yeah.
Like if you wanted something sweeter, you could totally do.
I can see it with
vanilla or
ice cream for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Or vanilla yogurt. Yeah.
Wow.
This is going to be gone.
Really
like,
quick.
yeah.
I want extra granola on this.
Oh, yes.
You guys have to see this. There's all the pieces of the mango in it and the pecans. I say pecan.
Pecans. I switch it up.
Florida.
Yeah. Wow.
Excellent. Yeah.
This is really good.
Yeah.
I hope you guys give it a try. Bring it
Yeah.
to your next barbecue.
Absolutely.
It'll be a crowd favorite.
And I would approve this as not too challenging of a recipe.
Yes,
Definitely doable.
Very doable. Just get the parchment paper.
Yes.
So it doesn't get stuck to the bottom of the pan.
Oh my gosh. Well, we're going to finish this and
Yes.
we'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.